Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Rocket.net website account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Rocket.net account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove an admin from your Rocket.net anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different virtual assistants or team members, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Rocket.net. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete an admin, there's two different places you need to look. One, in the website, if you gave them admin access just to one website, but also Rocket.net allows global admin. So I'm going to show you both places to look. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to delete an admin that has global access, meaning they can access all your websites in Rocket.net, here on the left side, you're going to click on the blue arrow next to your name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Account Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins or team members that you've added in as global access. You can see I just have this one. And off to the right, you're going to click on these three little blue dots. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Delete User. Next, they're going to ask, are you sure you want to delete that admin from your Rocket.net? Go ahead and click on the red Confirm button. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see they have been removed. They no longer have access. Next, what you need to do is here on the left side, click on Sites. After you click there, you're going to see all of the websites that you have in Rocket.net. You can see I just have this one, and you're going to go one by one and click on the blue Manage button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these little icons here at the top. Make sure you've clicked on Overview. Once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom, you're going to see Site Users down here. You can see I have this one person right here, and then off to the right of their name, same thing, click on the blue three dots. All right, after you do that, go ahead and click on Delete. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin has been deleted from this website, so they no longer have access to this website. So you'll want to do that to all of the websites that you have inside of Rocket.net. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin in your Rocket.net website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.